Hey all, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is 9th May 2022 and we are going to talk about the top trends, price movements and top news of the day in the cryptocurrency market. Well, in the crypto market, no news was bigger than the news of larger market sell-offs and a bearish market finally setting in on the charts. The crypto market had taken a deep dive and most of the assets were painted in red and were bleeding like they were bleeding like blood. We could see that Bitcoin had fallen under key support levels at the 37,000 mark, at the 35,000 mark, and now below the 33,000 mark. At the time of recording, Bitcoin traded at 32,346 and was down by over 16% on the weekly charts. Ethereum was trading at US dollar 2,300 and was over 15% down on the weekly chart. The global crypto market cap was trading below the 1.5 trillion mark, which is a key support mark, and usually fall under that marks the uh, setting of a bearish turnover in the market. The global market cap had fallen by almost 7% over the last day. Now, to put in some optimism into the video, let us talk about a few coins that gained price as the larger markets saw sell-offs. Waves token saw an 8% rise over the last 24 hours and traded at 14 US dollars. Near protocols near saw a 3.95% rise over the last one day and traded at $10. However, now it's time for the biggest losers in terms of price in the crypto market. Over the last one day, a lot of top altcoins had shed value massively. Polkadot had shed almost 22% in the last week and 14% over the last one day. Algorand was down by 14% over the last one day. However, it was still up by 10% on the weekly charts, which was something of a relief to Algorand holders. Shiba Inu's fall was incredible and it was down by almost 15% on the daily and 22% on the weekly charts. Thorchain's Rune, which was up over the last week, was down by almost 19% on the weekly and 13% on the daily charts. Apecoin, which had a nice pump and dump a while back, was down by 13% and traded at $10 at the time of recording. Tezos's XTZ was down by 13%, while Tron's TRX token was down by 12.31%. Over the weekend, Tron was in news for quite a lot of ecosystem-centric developments, gave Tron's pump, which gave Tron's price a decent pump. However, Tron had started to lose value. Nonetheless, it was still up by almost 15% on the weekly charts. Moving on, we shall look at some of the top news of the day in the market. Well, as the cryptocurrency markets continued the free fall, concerns about Terra's algorithmic stablecoin USD Terra, which is called UST, lost its $1 parity. 2 days ago, UST dipped down to 0.985 US dollar per unit against Tether, and the stablecoin's price fall invoked a great deal of speculation concerning UST losing its dollar peg. To deal with this situation, on Saturday, the Luna Foundation Guard, which is LFG, revealed that it was lending out millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and USD in order to protect the peg until the market conditions normalize. Seems like quite a havoc has been created in the cryptocurrency market. Moving on, sentiment data highlighted that Ethereum saw significant inflow into exchanges in the recent weeks. Exchange inflow usually depicts that people are getting conscious about holding risky assets, and the price fall has led people to liquidate their positions, or might lead investors and traders to liquidate their positions in the coming days if price falls further, which seems like a likelihood. Almost 30,000 ETH, valued at nearly 825 million US dollar, has been moved into crypto exchange wallets in the last 2 weeks. That is a huge number, and if a liquidation of that sort happens, Ethereum's price could be headed for further lows and could fall below the $2,000 level. Next up was, well, a good news finally. Ethereum NFTs were coming to Instagram this week, and Facebook seems like the next in line for introducing the NFT feature. Um, that said, it has been said that after that, Polygon and Solana NFT support will also be added to Facebook and Instagram. That seems like a decent show for NFTs, which has been running over the last few weeks. Well, ending with the good news, this was all for today. If you like our content, do give a thumbs up to this video and follow us on Voice of Crypto Facebook, Voice of Crypto 2 on Twitter, underscore Voice of Crypto on Instagram, and Voice of Crypto on LinkedIn. That is all for today. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such updates.